Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Good afternoon. How are you guys today? All right guys, so you're welcome back to another video. I'm actually so excited today. Yep, I'm excited because I'm so loved. I'm so blessed. You guys, I'm so loved. I'm so blessed. Okay. My blessings are so large. They're so enormous. They're so plenty. They're just full everywhere. They're just full. All right guys, so you're welcome back to Editorial and Emmy's family. And yeah, today I just want to show you guys what my mother-in-law sent for me. Yeah, if you actually watched my previous videos where I bought a lot of stuff, I sent a lot of things for my mother-in-law. That was actually my very first time of actually buying something, and sending it over to her. Apart from like sending monetary gifts and all of that, I kind of feel that since it was a season of love, I should buy something visible and actually send it to her. And of course, even without sending it to her, she usually sent me something, ever since I was married. Oh my goodness, I feel that, I was like, why I not married since, so that this woman could just blast me with a lot of gifts. She actually sent me some plenty stuff from the village, and she's so kind-hearted. I just want to show you guys, of course, as usual. I show you left, I show you right, I show you up, but I don't show you down. You guys, what I mean is that it's not everything that I get to show you, but the things that I know that it is actually necessary for you guys to see. Okay, that's what I show to you. So yeah, let me unbox all of my village gifts, my Ebony village gifts. So you guys, this season is a season of love. My mom just sent me a lot of village stuff. Well, my mom is not in the village, my mom is in township, Uyo. Yeah, but she actually sent me a lot of stuff which I've actually already shown you. I'm sure I'm going to be uploading that video before this particular one. So now is my mother-in-law. Let me make her show you. Man, don't talk too much. So these are the things that my mother-in-law sent for me. You guys, I have every reason to be happy because things in the market right now are so freaking expensive. In some work, you just work for less salary and the salary goes for only rice. Like, that is how things are so inflated. So these are the things that my mother-in-law sent for me, and which I'm gonna be showing you guys one after the other. Okay, so this particular one here is what do they call it? Is Gary. This particular one here is Gary, and I just want to open it so I can actually show you guys. Here in Abuja we actually buy more of white Gary. Especially, I've actually been eating white Gary for so long, so I'm kind of used to white Gary. So this is red Gary. Smells good. The smell of red Gary and that of white Gary is different. Anyways, the way people actually make Gary is different. This particular Gary is they actually process it. It goes through the fire. There's some Gary that does not go through the fire. They just dry it under the sun and woof, they sell it. So those ones do not go through the fire. At some point it might purge some people. So this particular one has gone through the fire and it is very well prepared by my mother-in-law. So let me show you the other small stuff that she sent. So she sent this one, and this is honey. This is pure organic honey. This is the one I'm going to be using for my black soap. for my soap production. This is Adan. We call it in my language Adan. This is oil. Yeah, you know, sometimes she actually used to send 20 liters of oil, 25 liters of oil. You know, those times are the times whereby palm fruit actually produces more. So I'm sure she sent this particular small one because I won't call it small, this particular one, because palm fruit is not like the other times where she will have a whole lot of them. So this is another oil. I'm sure she sent this one for her daughter Grace. Okay, my sister-in-law is in Abuja here. She lives in Abuja here with her husband and her kids. Okay, so she sent this one for us and she sent this one for her daughter Grace. And then in here she sent me, or rather us, she sent me, I like saying me, not me. She sent us Uba. Okay, this is Uba. So we're going to be using this to do African salad. Most definitely. Yeah. And yeah, guys, when I went to my husband's village, I used to like agbalumo very, very well, because as at that time I was kind of pregnant newly, and the only thing that could actually stop me from salivating was agbalumo, which is udara. Okay, so she kind of feels that I love udara so much that anytime she wants to send stuff, she must send udara. So she sent some of them. This is another one. Yep. And then she sent this one too. This is what? This is ukwa. When I was staying in Lagos, yeah, with my mom, I actually used to see some set of Igbo people process this ukwa and actually sell it. No, I did not know what it is until, you know, I was like, okay, they used to process it, fry it, and then they go to sell it. People just eat it with corn, with all those small corn. So she sent me this ukwa. I honestly do not know how. I'm sure she's I honestly do not know how I'm going to cook this or process it. I don't know how. That's the truth. Okay, next on the list, she sent this particular one here. So this particular bag is what is in this bag? What is in this bag? What is in this bag? Give me that. I don't know. Okay. So in this bag, are a lot of rice, a lot of our Ebonyi rice, our Ebonyi, you know, I'm from Ebonyi right now. By marriage. Okay, so this is rice. This bag is filled with rice. Okay. Yeah. During the Christmas time, we actually did not have. What's this? She sent me. During the Christmas time, we actually did not have local rice, so we had to buy foreign rice. And the foreign rice that we bought, when we just cook it small, I don't know, maybe we were not lucky to buy a good rice, I don't know, because we've actually not been buying rice for a whole long time. Yeah, so we don't even know which rice is good or bad. So The rice we bought during that Christmas time, if you just cook it small, the thing will just be doing water. You know, it's just over soft. So now we're back to our local rice. We love our local rice. Okay. All right. So she sent this. She sent meat. Just like my mom. My mom sent us chicken, and she sent us cow meat. Why didn't she eat this cow meat than just bothering herself? This old women. So she sent us cow meat. And in here is another bag of rice. In this bag is another set of rice there. Our local Ebonyi rice here. I'm sure this particular one is for Grace, my sister-in-law, because when she sends stuff like that, she would also send part of the things for her daughter, okay, who has family too, you know. So yeah, those are the things that my mother-in-law sent for me, and I'm so grateful to Almighty God to have a mother-in-law who is so kind. Even open the door, come inside. Push it. I should tie your baby for you. Who wants this stuff? It's me. Tell me your back. Beverly wants me to tie her baby in her back.
My little baby.
Yes. Tie your baby in your back. Oh yeah, show them your baby.
My baby.
Yay! Say hi, guys.
Hi, Dad. Welcome. A baby.
Okay. Okay, guys. So just like I was saying, I am fortunate to have a very good and a very caring mother-in-law who loves to give. Yeah. In as much as she does not have so much, but she gives the ones that she has. Like, she goes to the farm, you know, do a whole lot of farm work. Like, my mother-in-law does not like to sit one place. She loves to farm. She goes to the farm, do a lot of farm work, and she would send her farm produce. And I'm honestly so grateful, even though she doesn't have a whole lot of money, but she loves to send us gifts. Alright, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and thank you for the love and support. I have to spank Beverly a little because anytime I keep camera, she wants to just come and shake it, and the camera would fall. And if this camera falls and breaks, camera right now is like 400,000, like this particular one I'm using. I bought this one for like 340,000, and right now it's 400, which is a whole lot of money. So I have to spank her leg a little so that she should have a place. Yeah, thank you so much. Love you guys. May the Lord bless you. Bye. Mwah.